In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Notion. Keeping your Notion app up to date is essential to ensure you have access to the latest features, improvements, and security fixes. The good news is that updating Notion is quick and straightforward, and in this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process so you won't miss a single step. Just follow along, and you'll have the latest version running in no time. First, open your Notion application on your computer. Once it's open, look at the top left corner of the app window. You'll see the Notion icon there. Click on it to open a menu with several options. From this menu, select the option labeled File. This will expand a list of choices related to your Notion app settings and actions. Within the File menu, you'll find an option called Check for Updates. Click on this, and Notion will start scanning to see if there's a newer version available for your system. The app will quickly check against the latest version released by Notion. If your application is already up to date, you'll see a message confirming that you're running the latest version and no further action is needed. However, if there is an update available, Notion will display a button allowing you to download and install the newest version automatically. Simply click that button, and the app will handle the update for you. The process is fast, and once it's finished, you'll be running the most recent version with all the newest features and improvements. This ensures that your workspace is running smoothly and that you can take advantage of any new tools Notion has added. And that's all there is to it. Updating Notion is that simple, and by checking regularly, you can make sure your app stays current without any hassle. Keeping Notion up to date helps avoid potential bugs, ensures compatibility with new templates or integrations, and provides a better overall experience while you work. If you make this a habit, you'll always be ready to use the latest features the moment they are released. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.